we are to derive the function of x is equal to ln square root of 10x. So we can write f of x using the properties of logarithms and exponents. So it will go like this, ln, then the radical sign, it will become 10x raised to 1/2. Okay, and then next ln, I know, so this the exponent 1/2, we'll put it here or ilalagay na natin dito, 1/2 ln, no, 1/2 ln 10x. Ayan. So yung next, ito ay magiging 1/2 ln yan, 10 plus ln x. So yun, kasi nga diba 10 times x yan, so iniwalay lang natin, bali naging ln 10 plus ln x. Sunod, i-differentiate na natin to. So okay, so next step dyan, mag-differentiate na tayo. So 1/2 d over dx, and then copy natin to ln 10 plus ln x. Yan. So usog tayo dito ng konti. Ayan, usog natin banda dito para pumas siya. So 1/2. So yung ln 10, so ang derivative nito, since constant yung 10, so 0 ang derivative ng ln 10. So 0 na yan. Plus, so yung ln x, so ang derivative ng ln x ay 1 over x. Okay. And of course, pagpatuloy natin, 1/2, so 0 plus 1 over x is 1 over x din. At multiply na natin, 1 times 1 is 1, 2 times x is 2x. So ito na ngayon ang derivative, 1 over 2x.